For today's mini vlog. Kaon taog bakoko. Kaya lutuan ni. With bahaw. Sa nga Bisaya dira pangaon gyud mo ani. Nga dako kayo.
Bini ko lang ka?
Aw. Aray.
Isa ko ano kan. Kaya gani ng mga tagas kini klase ako mga manok mga boss. Uli kini
Makabalo ani mga ano.
panoorin mo kapatid ang napaka
Aking mahal.
Kaon. Nayutan. Napoy bakuko. Mina.
Lagi ni sunod ba? Injo.
Luod na.
Aman ta magtulog yapon.
Taas ito. Ha? Kaya magdigid-digid na po po ng balas. Taas ito. Pak, may kalong kayo lako kayo pa.
Dinili ng papa na, hoy.
Lami kayo butangan akong kuan. Kamansilis. Buta lang kayo butangan akong kamansilis. Na, di ka paon. Kalma lagi ka.
Nakatunghumok ani nak.
Anak kay di makita.
Kita tunghumok nak makatunghumok kayo nang mura nagbitag ko ang lunok.
Oh, tara.
Uy, siya.
Hindi ka magkamansilis. Okay. Ano yan ayun.
life was hard, but I didn't mind. I had a wife and a son, and I lived for them. They were my whole world. I gave everything to my son. Skipped meals, worked overtime, just so he could finish college. When he graduated, I cried. I thought it was the start of our new life. But things changed. My wife grew distant. My son got busy. They stopped calling. One day,
Kasi misuka mo, baghangatan mo.
we
Diba?
bought. I waited. Days turned to years. No one came back. I lost the house. I lost my purpose. I slept on streets. Forgotten. People looked away. But deep inside, I held on to one thing. My voice and the hope they'd hear it. Now I'm here on this stage. Not to win,
Bye-bye.
not for fame.